All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Adam Purvis Progeny MG here with me for a maintenance video. Really cool knife. You know, we're gonna try to improve the action of this guy, but I'm telling you, this is already a nice one. It's a liner lock, G10 scales, 154 steel, right? 154, yeah. And let me see, let's do this side also. You have the pivot, which is interestingly kind of like not custom, but like this. You see, you don't have the Torx bit, it's only on that side. You have T6 bits for the handle screws and a T8 that is needed for the pivot, which I believe is actually it's keyed in, it's not spinning. Let's see if I'm right. So just gently, okay, yeah, I see. So let's just deploy the blade first. This guy is staying there, so what is up with this guy? Oh, the liner wants to stay there, but no, we won't allow that. So, let's see, what do we have here? Let's just clean it up with this alcohol pad swab kind of thing. So, that's nice. Let's just dry it off and remove any pocket lint or whatever. So that is good. This one also nice and clean, both sides. And you see there's a partial liner on the show side and full liner, almost full. I mean, it's almost getting to the end over here. So that it was a little bit disappointing, but I mean, this is probably what, $100 knife, so we can't really complain about that, I guess. But we have a nicely keyed in pivot. We are gonna use the bearings in this side. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I like it. I prefer it like this way. So this is nice and clean. We are going to dry this guy out like so and add a little bit of 10 weight nano oil right over around and a little bit on the pivot. And this guy is in. Stop pin is also in, like so. And the bearing is in, and we're gonna add just a tiny amount right there. And what else do we need? We need to key in the pivot. Now, you see that there's a D-shaped hole right over there, and which is like oriented in this position over here. So basically what you need to do is, first of all, let's just add a tiny drop of 85 weight on the detent ball like that. Then you just basically go like, you use it as a wrench to find the hole, which is where is it? Why it's not something like this. Oh, I see, because there's the pivot, of course. So you know what, guys, we're just gonna go the old way like so, but there's no way to move this guy around. So this has to be done old school. So you basically align this like this, and then you make sure that this is aligned. So this is not, you see, clearly, because it's protruding. And then you just, probably we can use a spanner or just rotate it and make sure that that's keyed in like so, which works pretty nicely. So just keep it pinched and just use the T6 like so. So you can just screw in the handle, and that is gonna help keep everything in place. So you can release it, and then you can do the second like that. Beautiful. And then you get your T8, you get your Loctite, you get your pivot screw, all nicely coated like so. That's too much. So something like this is nicely done. It's like when you eat spaghetti, right? You want a nice bundle around the fork, and let's see, what do we have here? Blade is already perfectly centered. Let's see, blade play 0. And let me see if we can just guys, this is insane. We can maybe do a little bit better, I think. Just let's check. Still no blade play. Oh boy, boy, boy. Let's see. Look at this. Holy moly. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Would you look at the smoothness of this blade? This is an awesome action. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.